Bell X22. The Bell X22 is an American V/STOL Xplane with 4 tilting duct fans. Takeoff was to selectively occur, either with the propellers tilted vertically upwards, or on a short runway with the nacelles tilted forward, at approximately 45 degrees. Additionally, the X22 was to provide more insight into the tactical application of vertical takeoff troop transporters such as the preceding Hiller X18 and the X22's successor, the Bell 15-15. Another program requirement was a true airspeed in level flight of at least 525 km per hour. 326 miles per hour, 283 knots. In 1962, the United States Navy announced their request for 2 prototype aircraft with V/STOL capability, powered by 4 duct fan nacelles. Bell Helicopters already had extensive experience with VTOL aircraft, and was able to utilize an already developed test mock-up. In 1964, the prototype, internally referred to by Bell as Model D2127, was ordered by the Navy and received the X22 designation. It was unveiled at an event in Niagara Falls in May 1965. 3-bladed propellers were mounted on 4 wings, and synchronized through a wave-interconnection system. Were connected to 4 gas turbines which, in turn, were mounted in pairs on the rear wings. The maiden flight of the prototype occurred on March 17, 1966. Due to failure of a propeller control, described by the test pilot, Stanley Cackle, as the only non-redundant component in the power chain, the prototype crashed on August 8, 1966, and technicians stripped it for components in order to make the second prototype flight capable. The fuselage was still used as a simulator for some time afterwards. The second X-22 first flew on August 26, 1967. Early that year, it was equipped with a variable flight control and stabilizer system from Cornell Aeronautical Laboratory, which improved flight performance. Although the X-22 was considered to be the best aircraft of its type at the time, the program was cancelled. The required maximum speed of 525 km per hour was never reached. The second prototype was moved to Cornell Aeronautical Laboratory for further testing. The last flight occurred in 1988. Although the duct fan propellers were considered usable, they were not used again on a U.S. military aircraft until the F-35B. Although not on display, the only currently remaining craft, 151,521, is currently stored by the Niagara Aerospace Museum, New York. According to the employees at the museum, the craft was held onto after being debated for scrapping by the Navy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Footprints for more videos.